Hi everybody, this is Andrew from Pine Ridge Ford. Today I'm going to show you how to use our new payment calculator on mobile device. So I'm going to select this 2022 Ford Edge. Scroll down to where it says, what's my payment? We're going to click on that number. And it goes the car payment calculator. If you scroll down, go to vehicle sales price, enter in the price, which was $51,042. Let's say we want to put a down payment of $2,000 in there, and then it's Saskatchewan sales tax. Once again, if you happen to be status, you can take that out. If you're from Alberta, you take out the PST and manage it that way. Right now, it's got an interest rate of 10%, just because that is a kind of a flat rate we put in there. It may go up, may go down, depending on what the rates are currently in our market. So if you happen to know a different interest rate, you can put it in there to see how it will affect your payment. Now it goes payment amortization, or how many months you're going to have it go for. This is for 5 years, so 60 months. Let's put it for 6 years, for 72 months. And we're going to go with a bi-weekly payment again. So that's $467 every other week. And that's how you can use a payment calculator to try to understand how much your payment would look like on any given unit on our lot. Thank you for using our payment calculator tool and watching this video. And if you refer to the other video that shows you how to do it on your desktop. Talk to you again soon. Thanks a lot.